The Dubai Air Show is set to take off in the coming days, and all eyes will be on the dogfight between Boeing and Airbus. These aviation behemoths will be fighting it out for orders from airlines looking to add new aircraft to their fleets. Boeing is likely to officially launch the 777X, the US jet maker's 400-passenger response to Airbus's assault on its dominance in the twin-aisle, long-range jetliner market. It says the 777X is 20% more fuel efficient and 15% cheaper to operate. Big savings in the world where the price of oil is anything but stable. The 777X 234-foot wingspan is so large that the planes will have to fold the wingtips to fit into the same airports as today's smaller 777s. And at 11 feet wide, General Electric is developing its biggest jet engines ever for the plane. For passengers, the interior is getting a new look, with bigger overhead bins and windows, along with redesigned walls to more comfortably fit 10 economy seats in each row. The company has chosen Dubai as the backdrop for the updated jet and is expected to garner more than 100 orders. This potentially translates into $80 billion in new business. But Boeing shouldn't expect an easy ride. Airbus has already landed major orders for its competing A350, with stalwart Boeing customers such as Japan Airlines. Boeing estimates that 3,300 jets this size, worth nearly $1.1 trillion, will be ordered over the next 20 years. And the Middle East alone is expected to account for 670 of these planes.